So that's plexiglass to show the beauty of the motors.
Yeah, and I got lights, but we had problems.
It's all right.
I had a problem with my
That's
port.
a 10-inch port?
10-inch big ass
wow.
port.
A little walk around of what all's in here for the video.
Say it again?
Tell me what all's in here for the video.
Oh man, I got 6 concrete audio 10s in the doors, the Neos, 2 concrete tweeters, Selenium Horn, 2 ZB5 12s built by Daily, you already know. American bass 750.1 at 0.375. I got a sound digital 5K on the 10s. I got a sound digital 800.4 on my tweeters, but we got 8 more 10s going in the back door soon, so it'll be a total of 14. Okay. But that's pretty much what's it.
What's it tuned to?
Hey, I ain't had the car back for like a month.
Really?
So I'm just here playing.
Okay.
We haven't did a sweep.
So that's plexiglass to show the beauty of the motors.
Yeah, and I got lights, but we had problems.
It's all right.
I had a problem with my port.
That's a 10-inch port?
10-inch big ass port.
Wow, awesome. Thank you, man. You got anything to place a little lows, maybe?
Yeah, hold on, I got you.
This is nice, man. What was your name?
They call me Frank White.
Frank White, all right.
Stop me from smiling. Nothing, look what I got now. Gotta be. You stop on my head down, not no more. Diabetes in my body, police kicking in my door. But I'm still happy. But I'm still happy. But I'm still happy. Still happy. As a child, I walked some long miles. Rapper said, bitches on their child support, can't even smoke no more. So I turned to the coke, and I think I could fuck any girl in the world. Cause Boosie booty shit like that 80s chick. The day he lost his soul, wish I could take it back. I just wanna go get one more bag with my nigga. Wanna be rich forever for my dog. Wanna take you on your first trip on a private jet. I vow to always ball until I fall. Gotta get it, I ain't space. Get 100 racks, I gotta make it today. My dog looked out for me when I ain't had nothing. Pass on 30, then he put up in a tag or something. When I seen him pull up cold, nigga, they was mad or something. We was counting them hundreds back at Stilo crib. I wanted to trip with my brother and Valentino for real. Remember I was talking to him on the jail phone on Christmas. Said when he get out, we gon' add the check up like arithmetic. If he try to rob a nigga, I gotta get the stick. I might slide on a nigga like a rich stick. I don't know why all these legends always gotta die young, yeah. nigga gotta cut these snakes about the grass. Out of everybody, I suspected you last. Take all these flights, first class. Nigga, my brother told me how the days coming. Get ready to do that, the day coming. The day he lost his soul, wish I could take it back. I just wanna get bag with my nigga. Wanna be rich forever for my dog. Take you on your first ship on a private jet. I gotta always ball until I fall. Long live my brother.
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.